CCOs and CROs that I talk to describe similar challenges with adapting their risk management and compliance for the cloud. The users of cloud services within your organization want to move fast and start using new services and features as soon as they are released. And that is normal because these services and features could accelerate development by weeks and sometimes months. However, risk management and compliance teams require time to understand these new features and services. They need to ensure the right controls are in place to meet risk mitigation and compliance requirements at the same pace as the users of cloud services. So, I've often asked the GRC teams to consider using the cloud to manage risk and compliance. So, how do we do that? With AWS, your technical teams can innovate faster with less time between changes. This can be achieved through a standardized approach and abstraction of the underlying infrastructure. By introducing technical controls into the standardized approach, you enforce corporate policy and rules for technology. Because of this, you can build risk management and compliance controls into the early life cycle of your transformation projects. Secondly, when building your controls on AWS, you can take advantage of over 300 AWS security features and services. Taking advantage of these features and services rather than developing your own controls from scratch can save your teams time and effort. Some customers try to build all the controls they will ever need at the beginning. They usually find that this approach tends to slow down cloud adoption. Other customers who preferred an iterative approach had better results. The iterative approach allows your GRC teams to get familiar with risk management and compliance in the cloud. This in turn leads to more efficiency and greater confidence in the controls they select. As you shift towards deploying controls through standardized approaches and leverage AWS provided controls, iterations can occur faster, leading to continuous improvement of your control environment. With these two approaches, you can keep pace with your organization's demand for cloud services, adjust to changing regulatory environment, and guide cloud adoption confidently.